Hey, what's up? It's Ben here. Today's topic is a little bit more unique and geared towards teen, but of course anyone can do this if they wanted to. Some of these ways for teens to make money might require you to have the equipment for it to get started, and some won't. But if you're just watching this, then I'm assuming you all have at least an internet connection, which is a great start. So with that being said, here are 5 ways for teens to make money, and I'm sure you'll find some of these ideas fascinating. Number 1, sell your products on Etsy. If it's handmade, even better. Etsy itself has its own search bar where customers can actually search for products to buy. You can sell anything you want on Etsy as long as you enjoy making the product, because if you don't like something, then you're not going to be interested in making more. This could be more for the creative teens who want to showcase their products too. If you're scared that no one is going to see your products, here is one marketing tip that you can use. Download TikTok and every day document yourself creating that product. Now, you don't have to give away your secret sauce if you don't want to, but create 15-second videos using trendy music on TikTok. This will get you views. If you pump at least 2 videos a day for 30 days, and if at least one video blows up, you'll see sales coming in. I've seen this done with artists who draws on a canvas and posts it up for auction, and also a girl who makes her own candles and sells it on Etsy. With TikTok, you can reach a lot of people in a matter of minutes, plus posting is free and it shouldn't take you more than 2 minutes to post a video on the platform itself. Like, I have a TikTok account and I have more followers on there than on here, which is crazy. Number 2, take and print family photos for others. I have a friend who did this and I was shocked on how much you can charge people. Now, I'm assuming that you're not a professional and you don't have to be one, but if you can use a camera and do some basic photo editing, then you can make some serious money here. First things first, don't bring a photo camera to take pictures. I know some phone cameras can take really good pictures like the latest iPhone, but when people see that, they won't be surprised by it. So this might require you to have some type of camera with one of those bulky lenses. It doesn't have to be an expensive one. This gives people the impression that you know how to take photos and that you're a professional. But in reality, you could have just bought a camera for $100 on OfferUp. Who knows? So with that out of the way, you want to do a little marketing on your end. Have some kind of portfolio ready so people can see your work. Market yourself through family, friends, Craigslist, OfferUp, Facebook Marketplace, and so forth, saying that you take family photos for them and have them printed out with decorative frames. If you didn't know, printing photos and buying the frames are super cheap, and you could easily charge $20 for an 8x10 family photo. The print itself at Walmart is about like $1 or $2, and the cost to buy the frame itself could be like $1 at Dollar Tree. But of course, if you want something nicer, it'll cost a little bit more. There's endless ideas, like you can make small frame tiles for them, poster, or even large canvas prints if you like. You'll need to know how to do some basic edits on the computer, and it shouldn't take you a whole day to learn the skill. Once this is done, you just repeat the process. Number 3, growing and selling succulents. For teens who like to plant, this might be a good option for you. If you were to go out to a shop or a store that sells succulents, you know that a little small plant like this big costs about like $5 a piece, and they're just little baby plants. But did you know that it's easy to propagate succulents? Basically, you can produce infinite number of succulents just off of one plant, and all you would do is just rip the leaves out of one plant and let it dry out for 2 or 3 days. And when you lay the leaves on the soil where there's moisture, those leaves can turn into a whole new succulent plant. And if you repeat the process over and over again, it'll just multiply, and then you can start selling them once they get older. Did I just find an infinite money glitch? The only downside to this is that it could take months for those succulents to grow into a decent sized succulent. But in the meantime, you can start making your own pots for them. Yes, you can buy the silicone molds for the pots and pour cement mix into them. So it could be dirt cheap to make the pots instead of just actually buying them from the store. Then when they're ready for sale, you can start listing them up on OfferUp, Craigslist, Facebook, you name it. Number 4, entering local competitions. I say local because this probably will give you a higher chance of winning anything. Sometimes local businesses will do random promotions here and there to promote their business, and winners can get cash, gift cards, products depending on the promotion. And the only downside is that some competition you'll need to be at least 18 years or over. The reason why local competitions are easy to win is because not a lot of people will want to enter even though it's free and simple. It could literally be tagging your friend on their promotion post and you've just entered the competition. And if you don't have many friends like me, I just make another Instagram account and I tag my imaginary friends, so then I don't become one of those friends who like tagging people to the promotions. I've done this like 2 out of 5 times, and I've gotten a $20 gift card on one promotion, and then another one I got was a free meal at a local restaurant, and that's like a 40% win rate so far. So follow a bunch of local business social media page and see if they ever do promotions in your area. Number 5, ask family members or neighbors for work. For me, this worked probably like 7 out of 10 times when I was younger, probably because they saw me as a kid and they wanted to help a kid out. I don't know, but I've done yard work, house cleaning, garage cleaning, babysitting, cleaning up gutters, and even riding my bike to deliver baked goods to someone. Now, obviously, you won't make a lot of money from this, but you'll make money for sure. All you have to do is just ask. You never know what kind of task you'll get, but I'm sure if someone is busy and you can easily come in and just do the task for them, like when the husband is supposed to clean the house, but instead he could just pay you to do it because the football game is probably more interesting than cleaning. At that point, you could have a reoccurring client. The grass doesn't mow itself, right? So there you have it, 5 ways for teens to make money. Great for those who can't get a job right now, and it's something that anyone can do if they have the time. Then with that money, you can start investing, and that's when the real money starts coming in. If you want to check out more money making ideas, check out the video where I show you how to make money without money, or the one on how I make $200 a day risk-free. Link is down below if you'd like to watch it. I'm not trying to sell you anything here. It's just me trying to give back to the community. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a like and maybe consider subscribing for more related videos like these. And I'll catch y'all later.